Today we're demonstrating the difference of using tear-off lenses and an outer lens versus using a cassette lens system on the Nova 3. So I'm going to take 5 tear-off lenses out of the packet here, and then ensure that all the lenses are lined up. They are marked with an L, and that goes into the left-hand side of the visor. Locate them down the bottom and then lock them into place on the right hand side. Now I'm going to take an outer lens and remove the protective covers. Take the covers off both sides of the lens. The lens is also marked with an L for the left-hand side, and you slip them in over the top of the tear-offs, locating it down the bottom and then locking it into place on the right-hand side. You're now ready to go with 5 tear-off lenses and an outer lens in the respirator. Alternatively, you could use the cassette lens system. So I'm going to go ahead, take these lenses out and demonstrate the cassette lens system. So a cassette lens is 5 tear-off lenses and an outer lens all fused together in one system. The advantages are that there is one cassette lens per packet, so that means you're not going to get dust and debris in the other lenses like a tear-off lenses or outer lenses, which have 50 per packet. And the other thing is, being fused together, there's a seal right around the lenses which stops dust getting in between the lenses. So all you do is take the cassette lens out of the packet. It's also marked with an L for the left-hand side. So you slip that in on the left, locate it down the bottom, and then click it in on the right. You're now ready to go with 5 tear-off lenses and an outer lens. So you can see the time savings there between the cassette lens and the outer lenses and tear-offs, not having to peel the protective cover off the outer lens and then having the one system ready to go. Now if you're not using tear-off lenses, the cassette lens is a huge advantage. Obviously you have 6 lenses in place, you can blast 6 times longer. So when you need to get that job done, you can rely on RPB.